Hello, friend. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine and you.
I'm fine too. Thank you. So, in this video, we will start with our brief introduction, and after that, we will move further on our today's topic: why people not able to speak in English. So,
Yeah,
please do introduce yourself briefly.
yeah, absolutely. My name is Mithai Lal. Currently, I am pursuing my PhD from Banaras University in Department of Painting, and my topics is importance of Kalidas in modern painting. So this is my topic. So I also if you will talk about my hobbies, so I like writing, listening music, traveling, badminton. Yeah, so that's all about me. Yeah,
Yeah,
Manzi.
thank you.
Welcome.
So, obviously, now my turn to introducing myself. So, my name
Yeah,
is
yeah.
Manjeet Kumar. Basically, I'm from Junjunu, Rajasthan. Currently, I'm done I'm pursuing BTech in mechanical engineering. I'm in final year right now, preparing for campus interviews, also working on gate examination.
Yeah.
And my hobby is cycling and planting. That's all about me.
Very good.
So now we will continue with our topic: why people not able to speak English. We will discuss many aspects of this topic. And first, I want to know about your opinions on this topic, please.
Yeah, it is a very valuable and very relevant topic, Manjeet, because nowadays days we can see if you will go any kind of fields like academic fields, even in schools, colleges, and companies for jobs, teaching sector. So I think everybody nowadays, trend is changing, and almost 70 or 80% has changed already. So I think nowadays we should improve our English. This is only one language, but I think we can't survive without that. So we have to learn. And you just asked why people not able to speak in English. So I think that is the main reason. One of the people have phobia. One thing, because this is not English like a British. So if you will talk front of people, so many people nowadays also, just they will start. Okay, so you are looks like Angrez, like na Englishman. So, but you know, but this is. I think we should forget this thing, because nowadays, if you will search good books, even almost 80% text available in English language. Suppose that if you will look in art, literature. So I think how can you understand without this language of Western perception in ancient, even in contemporary eras? So I think that is the nowadays we have a big question: how we will survive without English. So now, but one good thing, we are living in 21st century. So nowadays we have lots of resources. Because if suppose that if uh, we are studying anything, so we are reading any passage, and we have not too much knowledge about that. So nowadays we have many uh, uh, many apps. Through that we can just scan and we can translate in Hindi, in uh, Bengali, in Marathi. We can translate in every languages. And suppose that we are reading any books, any stories, any materials related to our syllabus. So if we have no knowledge of some difficult words, so suddenly we can So recent we can search in our through our Hindu Khoj dictionary, because in every mobile, Android mobile have dictionary like this type of. So nowadays we have lots of resources, and one of the second part, YouTube. Suppose that we have not too much ideas about other like Amazon, Prime Time, and also Hotstar. Every kind of nowadays is very common. So YouTube is also sufficient, because on YouTube has available, I think, lots of uh, videos in English, stories in English, and grammar even in English. So it is a very, very, I think, uh, valuable thing. And nowadays we are learning through of Josh Talk. So Josh Talk also one of the nowadays very, very common among of people who want to learn English, who want to speak, who want to fluency in English. So that is the very common thing nowadays. I think we have to understand, and after that we can improve. This is not very scary, very tough language nowadays. Yeah, Manjeet.
Yes, thank you for your important opinions about our today's topic. So, and now
Yeah,
I also put my opinion, because
yeah, yeah, sure,
our
sure. I
is a
want to.
very
Yeah, no.
relevant topic, like why people not able to speak English. First thing, we
Yeah,
have to create an environment for English, like
yeah,
for learning any language. We have to go in that type of environment. If we don't have that environment, then we are not able to speak that language. We can read
yeah,
that, and we can learn how to write, read, and listening practice we can do. But without any environment, we cannot learn speaking. So, firstly,
yeah,
we have to uh, choose our environment. Environment may be provided by application, like we are using those skills application. Another applications are also available. They provide English environment for beginners and
yeah,
advanced
yeah.
speakers. Yes.
So
So there is many applications available like Cambly, Joss Skills, Caplingo, and three applications are also available like Hello, Buddy Talk, Talk Now. These type of application. Another important thing is we can also learn with talking with our friends. But there we have an problem. Like if we talk with our friends, with our family members, so in
yeah,
so in our Haryanvi, people used to say like "Gano Angrez ban rahe ho ge." If we used to speak with our friends and our family members in English, so we should not talk with them in English. Like if they are making fun of your English, we can choose any of our friend who is also want to learn English. So we should go through that, and if we also have many applications as I told you before, so we can go through that. And YouTube is also a good platform for learning these things, but for improving in speaking we have to do practice, and we have patience of listening another person's also. As I listen you carefully when you are speaking, so we have to listen another person who is speaking, what is the accent of speaking, uh, how he is pronouncing that word. So we have to keep these all things mind while learning English. So this is all about my side.
yeah, Mansi. It's very valuable, you know, perception. Yeah, because I think everything you have told, so everything is very valuable for any kind of, beginner who want to learn, who want to speak English. Yeah. So,
Yes,
so
yes.
have you any questions?
Uh, Actually, I am going to upload this video on YouTube. So this is how uh, I am working on this video conversation. So my channel
Mhm.
name is MK Helpdesk. I think about that. So on that channel, I
Yeah,
used to
yeah, yeah.
upload these conversational videos, and like day by day we are improving here. And if anyone wants to improve their English language, they guys also connect with us. We are improving. That's why they. This is how they guys will also improve while video conversation. Uh, so we will
Yeah,
come again with our another topic and another
yeah,
interesting topic.
yeah, Manjeet. And one thing, Manjeet, I would like to say, uh, you are doing a very great work because nowadays I think this is the big problem of students who belong to rural areas, who belong to some like mm, there are no availability of this type of things. So I think firstly people should be aware, and after that they will find this destination. So definitely it would be very helpful, useful of beginners, students who want to study, who want to learn English language. So many thank you to you
You
for
too.
this good work, Manjeet. Yeah.
So now we wind up our talk here, and next time we will come with another topic. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay,
So
thank
would you
you.
like to say something to my viewers also who watch this video on my channel?
Yeah, I want to say nothing is impossible in this world. But firstly, we should start first step. And if we will regular of any kind of jobs, so we will find one day our destination. So that's all.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, welcome, Mansi.